This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Okay, I'm here. Just got to set up my camera. Give me a minute. We'll check the charts. Just a little bit running late today. Not too much, but a little bit. What do I need to do? What do I need to do? So many buttons to click. Bum, 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 bum. Gotta get the camera up somehow. Hold on. I like that scene. But we're gonna go with this one today. Still figuring it out. Don't worry. I got to expand it now. That looks good. Next. Got to switch. What do I have to switch? Here. Close. Boom, boom. Close. That looks good. Okay. I'm good with that. Everything in place. Everything good. Hey. Good morning, Omnius. Good morning, JC. JC, on Thursday, maybe we can go to Patate Percy after the stream, if you hear me. I don't know if you hear me. I don't know, maybe you're just watching it. Boom, boom, boom. What are we doing? 23,564. Is that all-time highs? I'm curious. Kind of had some movement. Look at Bitcoin, always hanging around. Wow, Bitcoin was pretty active. Wow. Wow. Compare Bitcoin to, look at the moves. Holy Christ. Compare Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin had 300 Renko bars, 250 Renko bars overnight. NQ had 30. What can you do? I looked at the volatility yesterday. It was disgusting. 200. I'm going to show you guys again. Let me just get everything open. I got to make a note on my hand. I got to remember something. Ooh, that was messy. So stupid, these guys. Okay, Is everything ready to go? Nope. My accounts are there. Let's check the volume. 185,000. Copy conform, exact copy of yesterday. Wow, Bitcoin with only 16,000 contracts, 1/10 the volume, and 10 times the move. Okay, close the accounts for now. I'm almost there. Time reference, account data. You know what it should be? It should be in alphabetical order. That makes it easy. Text, time, video. Hey, remember this guy?
I'm gonna get paid. I've joined the prop junkies, so I'm gonna get my payouts. I swear, one way or another, they're gonna pay me. There's no goddamn way these prop firms are going to take my money and then not pay me. They're all a bunch of crooks, those sons of bitches.
Okay, that was a blast from the past. Close the account data. Good morning, Joker. Joker, look. Water. I mean, I have my coffee too, but water. I'm starting to get used to it. Starting to actually like it. Okay, 30-minute chart. You know the routine. Never took out the Asia session lows, just the Asian session highs. We're above VWAP, we're above previous day's high. Near the top of the London range. That's bullish. Many times that's bullish, and we trade lower. Doesn't mean we're going to trade higher, but that's bullish. Markets are bullish on the daily. Well, I mean, you can see what we're doing on the daily, right? I don't have to spell it out for you. Up, up, up and away. Open up my... Okay, perfect. 103-point gap to the upside. Who's thinking gap fill? Some people are, definitely. So we'll watch. We'll see what takes place. This one I can close. We're bullish on both Topstep charts. We're bullish on my chart. Okay, it's bullish, 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 and bullish. We'll see. Doesn't mean I won't be selling. Connections. Let's take a quick, you know what, I'll just set this up right away. Omnis is going to show up soon. Let's take a quick look at gold. Gold is up $10, but unfortunately, under the 928, where's my clock? I need my time. B widgets, customize, where are you? My time's supposed to be somewhere. I don't see it. Okay, not a lot of time to, oh, there it is. Okay, that's in. Gold up 10, Bitcoin up 920, just under the 120,000 and still trading sideways. I'm really curious to see where we break on that. And I think if we do break lower, maybe to 100,000, but then pop back up. Only one man's guess. Let's go to positions. Set up my trade copier. And Q. And we'll copy the 2 accounts. 13 seconds to go. And they're off. Ding, 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 ding. Well, I know I clicked buy bid, so either they filled me or they neglected my order. Now I'm kind of stuck. Don't know what to do. Let me go look at my orders tab. Nothing. Let's try it again. No, this one's working. Front door open. Ah, I see. Okay, just be glad I got out unharmed. Stupid trade copier again screwed me up. Okay, let's continue looking. Okay, we're going to get the alarm for the 2-minute ORB, opening range. There we go. I am also curious to see what happened at 6 o'clock. 1, 2, boom, wow, 6 o'clock one worked good again. That was Monday night. What about Sunday night? Just quick. I keep forgetting about that one. Sunday night, I think it made money also. No, okay, I remember Sunday night. Okay, let's get back to the charts. $11-point range. How's that possible? Wow, that looks like a huge candle. It's not even a huge candle.
Good morning.
Good morning, good morning. Let me just check the sound is up. You seem quiet today. Maybe you just said it quietly. Let me do a quick sound check.
I don't know. Maybe I'm a little bit quieter today.
Yeah, well, it could be a whole bunch of things. I could have my volume turned off. No, my volume. I have to check my volume. Maybe it's low over there.
I don't know. One thing I need to fix is this filter with height.
Let me see my volume down here. My computer volume could be, yeah, my computer volume is very low. That's
Okay.
why. Oh, now you're screaming.
Uh-oh. I haven't changed mine. I didn't do it.
Shit. Hold on. Close. Minimize. Oh, really? Minimize.
Yeah, you're lower on Your volume's lower on my stream.
Save as. Yeah, looks fine over here. Mic's pretty close to my mouth, but lately I find that my mic is not picking up as well. Strange.
All right, go with that. Maybe when you put it closer to your mouth, you turn the volume down for something. Ain't no telling.
Yeah, I'm gonna check something here. Hold on. Check my mic, open sound settings. Maybe Windows played with my sound settings. They do that sometimes.
Yeah, telling me about it.
Input microphone device properties. No, it's still at 88. Still good.
Yeah. It's all right. I bumped it up a little bit on Discord.
I'll check it.
Should be good. I noticed you were a little bit low on my stream yesterday. Not too bad. I mean, just bump it up slightly.
Okay, sound check. Last thing to do.
Okay, sound check. Last thing to do. Okay, sound check. Last thing to do.
Well, you're coming in loud. Now me. We're all good. Okay, let's start trading. I missed a good bump up off the bands over here, unfortunately.
Oh, yeah, 933. Wait a second.
Yeah, 933.
Yeah, it was a nice one. It's all right. There'll be plenty more. Look at this candle, though. This is really just straight up, isn't it?
Yep. But not a lot of points. That's the thing.
That's only 50 points.
Yeah. It's deceiving.
You remember 3 or 4 months ago when that was like 200-300 points?
Yeah, I was actually mentioning, I'm going to show it to you. Look at the volatility on my daily chart. And if I compress it completely and I raise it, let me open it up here.
Talking about the Renko?
No. This is the daily chart.
Okay.
So here what I did is on my stream. Can you see my stream?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. This is the ATR, this line here. I really opened it up on the daily chart. Look, if I put my line, we're at the lowest level in, what's that? More than a year. We've never been this low for the daily, daily volatility.
Because we're at all-time highs and
maybe, maybe people don't want to
July, summer months. I think it should start picking up next month.
Hope so.
But I need to find out, is August a bullish month or a bearish month?
Ruan was on the stream yesterday and he was telling me he trades Bitcoin and NQ based on the you're talking August being a bullish month. He trades them based on the lunar cycles. He says,
yeah, I mentioned that before, that some people trade on the lunar cycles.
Yeah,
there's an indicator you can get for Ninja Trader, the cycles of the moon.
Yeah, he says 2 days before until the full moon. 2 days before the full moon until the full moon.
It's stupid when you put that indicator on the chart and you look at it.
Yeah, you got to feel kind of silly using that, but
I mean, have you looked at it?
No, I haven't looked at the indicator, but I told him I'll look at it. I'll check it out historically. But what do you call it? GPT said there's no statistical evidence. A lot of people have checked it, and there's no statistical evidence. But they were talking, I guess, with the indexes. You know, he says Bitcoin has that tendency to rally 2 days into the just before the full moon.
Just put it on your chart and look at the daily chart. The moon indicator.
worth looking into it. That's all. Yeah, it doesn't cost you anything. You never know.
Yeah, there's some people go all the way down that rabbit hole.
Yeah, it's almost.
I mean,
it's almost
if you think about it, it's no different than anything else. It's no different than the Fibonacci. Everybody's putting Fibonacci. Like, what does that mean?
yeah,
Like, so it's a halfway retrace. Just say it's a halfway retrace. I mean,
yeah. Any way you frame a trade is good, as long as you control the risk.
any of those indicators that aren't based on levels, they're just based on a fancy name.
Mm.
I mean, they're all basically the same. And if you think of the moon cycles, that kind of goes by the cycles and numbers, anyways.
Yeah. I remember Tom Hugard also. He didn't do moon cycles, but he did something like 144-day periods or something like that. He would block it. He would put it in blocks. And he also had something like that. But
people
again,
that do so many days, there's people that do all kinds of weird stuff.
Yeah. Everyone's looking for edge, right? That's what it comes down to.
I mean, well, I'm trying to say I'm probably not relaying it very well, but kind of makes sense when you think of it from the calendar perspective, because you got all your contracts rolling over at certain times. You got earnings and stuff going at certain times.
Well, I'm not a lunar guy. Is the full moon always around the 10th? Like this month, it's in August, it's going to be the 9th. In July, it was the 10th. Is it always there? Or does it slowly change? Like, will September be the 11th and October the 12th and December the 13th? Does it like move a little bit, or it's always around the second week of, do you know?
I think it's every 28 days, isn't it?
Is it 28 days? Yeah, then it moves.
If there's a theory that we're supposed to have 13 months in our calendar.
Yeah.
And that they moved it down to 12.
Calendar. The calendar's man-made. You can do anything you want. If we would have, you can take babies, put them in a room.
Calendar's not man-made. Come on.
Sure, it is. Of course, it is.
Follows the stars.
Exactly, but who says you have to have 12 months? What if they created? What if you were born and there was only 2 months, and you had? I make January to June. I call it month 1, and I make July to December month 2, and you grew up with that. You would say there's only 2 months. You know, who says a second? You know, I could divide seconds. I could say a minute has 120 seconds, and I could make the second a half a second. You get my point?
Right, I understand that.
Those intervals, that's what I'm saying. Those intervals are man-made, not the lunar cycle and that it takes, you know, a certain period of time, but how we divided it and the names we gave to it.
The months are supposed to go on the moon and the stars.
Yeah.
So if I don't know if I'm correct on that or not, but I think the full moon's every 28 days.
Okay.
And if that's the case, then every month should be 28 days or something. I don't know how they figure it out.
Yeah.
I'm the wrong guy to ask.
Yeah, I could see that they made a month. And a day has to be a certain period of time. That's determined, of course, by the Earth's rotation. But how we divided it into hours, minutes, and seconds, we could have done it completely differently.
But apparently it used to all be different, and they screwed it all up, changed everything. Apparently it used to be 13 months. And the first month of the year is what?
And then 13 became unlucky. I don't know. What was the first?
April Fools. April.
Oh, yeah? Joker. Okay, get to the charts.
There's the flat earth people again.
I don't have any good ATMs working, so I got to figure out what I want to do with my ATMs.
Got kind of an evening star pattern on the 2-minute.
Oh, I forgot about your 2 minutes. Jesus, I even have an alarm, and I forgot about your 2-minute trade, and it would have worked nice. Entry at 6:30.
Yeah, I already took 2 of them, maybe 3.
Full port short. Oh, not yet. Bitcoin, not yet. What chip? Still far away from getting that.
Still getting lagging orders. I gotta
Oh my God, yeah.
work. I gotta work on my indicator. So it got out, it just didn't cancel the orders. Who did it?
Screwed up also. I took a 5 lot in the morning. It didn't enter, and I didn't know if I was long short. Then I did a test order to see if it's still working. I almost got hurt with that. Lucky I didn't. I'm tired of those Nightbot messages. Time to change them up.
One day I'm gonna put the moon cycle back on my chart just to fuck around with it. I think the charts are interesting because you could do just about anything and believe it's something. You draw a random line nowhere and like make some case that it's something. You're off the quiet. You gonna trade? What are we looking at?
No. I'm setting up my Nightbot, changing the messages. I got bored of the ones that I was seeing. Okay, back in business. Let's add to my Bitcoin trade. It went up. It's too bad. Bounced off the band there. Oh, just came down again. That's weird. Came down, but it's not showing at 775. Not showing down over there. Okay, buy one market. Let's see how this works out. It's a longer term trade. Hopefully it works out.
I was kind of telling you what my issue was yesterday, but where I used to have a browser on a Prism for your stream audio.
Okay.
And I never deleted it. It's just been there forever, but it's been turned off. Somehow the settings changed, just turned it back on.
Yeah, okay, yeah, I saw that you wrote that it was it was my fault.
It's like out of nowhere they just changed the settings on me. And the audio was hidden, so couldn't see the audio. The browser was turned off, so I couldn't even see it on. And then the setting got changed to say that it plays all the time, even when it's off.
Yeah. I made a little quick video yesterday, and everything was all screwed up again. Again, it's like the config file just blew up, and I was saying, wow, please don't be like that this morning. I wasn't in the mood to start moving everything around.
Yeah. Normally when I see that, I just restart it.
Yeah. Oh, you know what? I never thought of that.
Doesn't make a lot of sense.
No, it's very odd that happens. It's inexplicable.
You can't tell me that these big podcasts like Joe Rogan show up to work and everything's all fucked up.
That's maybe they have engineers taking care of that.
Yeah.
Oh, Bitcoin went down again.
I was hoping for a long, but guess that kind of evening star pattern played out for any trend reversal traders, or mean reversion, whatever you call it.
Order rejected, really? No kidding. So the limit on Bitcoin is only 2 micros on Topstep. Wow, they really limit you, to how many Bitcoin you can trade?
Yeah, but how much is it per point?
Well, per point. Well, a tick is $5, and I think it's 50 cents. So $1, it's $1 a tick. But it moves, it moves quite aggressively. You can get $1,000 pretty easily. $1,000 move, 600-700 is like common every time I trade it.
Well, damn, no wonder they limit you.
Mm. Getting down to the previous day's high. Whoa, just blasted through there. Like I said, we're bullish, but often we're bullish and we trade lower. Coming in the morning, we were above everything. Above previous day's high, above VWAP, trading in the top of the range.
Talking about Bitcoin or NQ?
Oh, no, an NQ. Blasted higher. Faked everyone out. Oh, it's bullish, it's bullish. Trapped everyone and reversed. Or this is the trap, and the real move will be up. Okay, I got to get out. Flat null. You got me again.
Well, we have 9 more minutes in the hour. And looks like we're possibly going to print big inverse hammer.
Mm-hmm.
So unless they push it up in the next 9 minutes, looks a bit bearish. Mm-hmm. But we are at a support level. So we'll see what they can do from here. Yeah, I was trying to watch your stream a little bit yesterday on the TV. My phone died.
That's funny.
I was like, hey, is he still on? So I put it on the TV.
I don't remember to what time I news at 10. Hey, thanks, Joker. I have an alarm, but I wouldn't have thought about it.
You had somebody on the stream. I didn't know who it was.
Yeah, Ruan. Guy that got me into Bitcoin. I mean, a lot of people mention Bitcoin, but I finally listened to people's advice. Gold's not trading too steady today. Let's stay away.
Yeah, but then shortly after I started watching, I guess you ended the stream.
Yeah, possible. I really wanted to go.
I got up to do something and come back, and it was gone. I was like, what happened?
What happened? Bertie, he's gone. News at 10, 8 minutes away.
Yeah, job jolts.
Yeah, that moves the market a little bit.
And consumer confidence.
Usually considered medium news, but it does definitely move the market.
Pretty sure job jolt. I got it as red.
Really?
Yeah. We got a red news and a medium news at the same time.
Okay. I never find it, at least the jolts report, I never find it as medium. Not as high impact.
Well, let's check financial juice, see what they say.
No, I'm just saying the reaction is usually small, and the way the spread changes also, they never expect it to be a real big look. We know the big daddies are PPI, CPI, and
oh yeah, I mean, of course they stand above everything else.
Yeah,
but financial juice has them both red.
Yeah.
So who knows?
Okay, we'll sit out a little bit. No, I mean they are red folder news, but you won't get a 300-point movement on those, though.
Do we even do 300-point moves anymore?
No.
Not unless Trump or Powell says something.
Yeah. Hopefully it'll come back one day.
I feel like it's about time for something like that. Like Trump's going to pick a fight with somebody, or Powell's going to pick a fight with somebody. Are they going to fight each other? Just send the market into chaos again?
Well, the crazy volatility was around April. That's the inauguration, right? April, that's when Trump was inaugurated. Maybe that's
Was it?
why we had that. Yeah, I think that's when you guys have your inaugurations. I'm not sure.
You know more about U.S. politics than I do.
Uh,
I just know it's all fake.
it's all theater.
It's all theater. Keep trying to tell people that.
You know what? Could be. Could be. Okay, I got a small short, 2 lot.
It's a big club and you ain't in it.
Thank
That what
God.
George Collins said?
I would never want to be in it. My hat's off to these guys.
George Collins. It's a big fucking club and you ain't in it. So I would assume right now it's just waiting for the news.
Yeah, we're bumping up into VWAP. And the previous day's high from underneath. I mean, we were above it and we just went underneath it at 950, so it's not really a significant from underneath situation. But the VWAP touch was we'll call it significant, but come on, let's get another one more bar lower.
Did kind of do the open range touch again. I've been missing that almost every day now. I like that trade. I don't know why I keep missing it.
Opening range. And when you say opening range, you mean the 15-minute one, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have an alarm for that, but it's at 9:49. 9:49, because it's based on the 5-minute chart. Hey, good morning, Skeletor. So I'm, kind of looking for the close below it, and the first candle that can close below it is at 9:50, so it rings at 9:49. But
we had a nice push below it, but it was at VWAP, but then it pushed back up. So it did a great open range test. Could have got in there, and you wouldn't have took any drawdown. I don't think you'd have took a tick of drawdown.
Yeah.
Skeletor, good morning.
I got a short on Topstep, but I can't take it now, I guess. 9:57, eh? 3 minutes before.
Get out? All right, fine, I'll get out then.
Okay, in the meantime, we talk. So, how was your night?
Yeah, it was good.
Did you have ice cream?
No ice cream. We ate it all.
Wow.
Ice cream? What was that?
that was you thanking me if you were short, and I got you out by reminding you news is coming.
Really? Yeah. Good call on that one, huh?
Good timing. Too many of these now in a day, eh?
Yeah. Not used to seeing stuff like that.
Like I said, they're always in the opposite direction for the way we trade. Like we would be short, and it's
right.
It's a pop up. When it goes to the upside, and trend traders, it's a pop down all the time almost.
Yeah, I got 2 kids. We don't keep ice cream very long. My daughter, she'll ask 100 times a day.
Yeah, no, I ask because Butters had his homemade ice cream yesterday, that carnivore one. I wanted to ask what the recipe was. I forgot. Mike told me it was like eggs and oil and.
Pretty sure we have an ice cream maker. Never used it. Somebody gave it to us. Don't know if we threw it away or not.
Yeah, no, this is some kind of carnivore type ice cream. But
I don't know why we don't make our own ice cream. There's a lot of ways to make ice cream that's not bad for you.
Well, Ninja has one now. A friend of my son's brought it over. Wow, that was pretty spectacular. You can almost throw anything in there and it makes it into ice cream. And quickly, too.
Yeah, like I said, there's a lot of different ways to make ice cream that's not bad for you.
Okay,
Of course,
9:59.
of course, if you buy ice cream from the store, it's going to be bad because they have to put a bunch of preservatives in it.
Mm,
Otherwise, it'll go bad in a day.
yeah. In a day.
Well, yeah.
Dad,
Any
the
kind
ice
of
cream's moving.
yeah, any kind of stuff like that, any kind of like dairy stuff you make, generally is going to go bad in about a day without the preservatives.
Yeah. What the hell is a preservative?
Sugar.
Wonder how that works. I'll have to Google it.
Sugar.
Oh yeah.
That's why sugar is in everything.
No kidding. How do you know everything?
I don't. I just make it up. It's on you if you believe it.
That will be funny if you were just pulling my leg on that one. I kind of believe it. Never heard it though. Okay. Yeah. Spread 7. Wow. Spread went to 7 for a flash there. Woo! That was.
Don't tell me it was that big build up for that.
Attach your seatbelts.
Yeah, sugar is a preservative. That's why it makes you fat. Preserves all that food inside your body.
Mm.
Now you got me thinking about some homemade ice cream.
Mm.
I'll have to see if we still got the ice cream maker.
There it is, too many. Waiting for a short. Skeletor. I like Skeletors. While I'm waiting.
There's your message for the 30 times. Who did I get that from? I stole that from somebody.
I don't know. I'm getting a short signal.
I think it was Future Scalper or something.
Oh, yeah.
I got a short. Do I want to take it?
Yeah. Mine was at 76. I got in at 73. Terrible. Terrible.
Yeah, I don't know about those.
Hey, don't say that.
Well, I mean, you're looking at a different chart than I'm looking at.
Yeah. Let me lighten up. Okay, hopefully we can get down to 69. I'm going to take that just because I got into trouble with it.
Yeah, I can't trade by your chart. I can't see it. What happened? Go put it in there. Yeah, fuck it. I'll go short.
Hey, I fixed wood chips. Is it going to work today? Didn't work yesterday. No. Not working anymore. I got to test it at night.
What's not working?
See what's going. The video wood chip sighing with the sparks flying and everything. Now the video just jams. I don't know why.
You stop that shit.
Me?
No, not you. Damn it! Now missed all the opportunity.
Yeah.
I was trying to go short in this other account.
Be focused. I'm a perfectionist. I get angry when things don't work.
Trying to get in with a 10 lot, and I got in with 1.
Serious? Wow, look
what
at
the
you.
fuck am I going to do with that? My bot took a trade earlier. I didn't like it. So I told it no. Got out. But now I feel like I can get in for a different price. And it originally wants to take it anyways, so I want to give it that opportunity.
Your first call was right. What chip?
I'll take 10 points on that one.
I needed to come back a little bit.
That worked out good.
Internally, I'm teetering on the edge of discipline and not discipline. It's no good. That feeling has to go away. What does that mean? I'm teetering on the edge of wanting to take impulsive trades. Like
sometimes when my kids want to do stuff, I'll take my belt and hang it on the door by them. We could try that if you think it'll work.
It's not as dangerous for me. You're very far away.
Well, no, you'd have to take it. You'd have to take your own belt and put on your own doorknob. You ever watch that show, The Walking Dead?
I did. It wasn't bad. It wasn't bad.
There's that guy in there that was like the villain forever, Negan.
Oh my God, that was one of the best TV villains ever.
And then he carried around that's like spike bat.
Yeah.
Whenever he was getting mad at somebody, he'd tell him to hold it. He's like, here, hold this while I talk to you.
That was a character and a half.
Like, what kind of punishment is that? You have to hold the bat this guy's fixing to beat me in the head with? So I use that. I use that in my parenting, right? We gotta learn how to be parents from somebody.
That's a good role model. Hot in Florida. It's hot here too, Skeletor. I opened up my door and the air was thick. Very humid. Very humid, very hot.
I saw a video from a lady from Britain or something complaining how hot it was and other people wouldn't understand. She's like, it's 30 degrees Celsius or something. Yeah. The guy in the video is like, let me do the math for y'all. That's like 80 degrees. Like that's winter. That's winter in Florida.
Yesterday was 36 here. But it's very humid.
Celsius or?
Celsius, 36, yeah.
I don't even know what that means.
Me neither.
Is that the measurement y'all use?
It is. They changed, but I was born with Fahrenheit, so it doesn't mean anything to me. It's like you. It doesn't mean anything. Unfortunately.
Well, I mean, everybody uses a different system. It's just a different system. I just don't know the conversion.
Yeah, no, me neither. And I don't know how to relate to it. Like, I know 36 is hot, but if you tell me 95 Fahrenheit, I know what that is. I can imagine it. I can feel it. You tell me 36 Celsius, I go, okay, that's hot, but I don't know what it is. It could be 87. It could be 92. It could be 98. I don't know the conversion. And I don't know how to wrap my head around it. Same thing like miles and kilometers. I know how far a mile is. I could visualize it. I can't visualize a kilometer. That's because I grew up with it. But the people who grew up with the metric system, they know it. So one generation has to go, You're the only country, I think, that's still on imperial. I think the world is on metric now.
A lot of people say metric's a lot better.
Whatever. It's all the same. It's just like a conversation we had before. That's exactly my point there. Seconds. A second doesn't have to be a second. It could have been a half a second long. It could have been 2 seconds long. Same thing with the metric. It's just a unit of measure that we create. Except, like you said, there are standards. Like a day is a day. The Earth's rotation is the Earth's rotation. If we're going to, put that in a box, that has to get a category, a name, whatever we want to call it. A day, a cycle, or whatever.
Well, then why doesn't the same ring true for the moon then?
No, I'm saying that, all that stuff is exact. That's exact. But how you divide it after into 60 pieces, we could have divided that after into 45 pieces, like a day. A day doesn't have to be 24 hours. I could create another word, and I could have made it 20 hours. I could have made it 36 hours and just made it smaller, less minutes. You know what I mean? Like an hour. Why? And it doesn't have to be 24 hours. That's my point. It could have been 4,000 hours, and an hour would have been a different unit of measure. That's all. Google
I think
says
theoretically it's all supposed to be math.
Yeah, at 30.
It's supposed to be broken down by math.
Yeah, maybe there's some relevance to everything, to every unit. Who knows? Who knows?
What's Woodchip saying? Google says for a close conversion, double Celsius and add 30.
Yeah, at 30, at 32, somewhere around there. So 36 would be 72. Add 30, that's 102. But really, he says 1.8. So take away 3, 6. Take away 6 degrees. So it's about 96 degrees.
All I know is I walk outside and it's extremely hot.
Yeah, here too.
And every day now I get a notification on my phone saying that Florida has deemed a heat advisory. Severe heat.
What numbers are you guys pushing there?
And I know in the state of Florida, really all the South or states or whatever, a lot of heat strokes right now.
No kidding.
Numbers we've been pushing, I think it's been around 100, 102.
No kidding, really? For Florida? That's rare. No?
But then
I figured low 90s.
The heat index is going to be a lot higher. I think the heat index has been up around 110.
Yeah.
112.
Oh.
Because we have
comfortable.
Florida's damn near an island. I mean, it's what you call a peninsula or whatever. So 3 sides are surrounded by water. So we have extremely high humidity.
Yes.
I think one of the videos I saw, a guy was saying that we have like 75% humidity or something. So I don't know. I know I go get in my car and it's like 102, 103, 104.
I'm laughing because when I was younger, we went to Florida, me and a cousin of mine. She left her, I think I told you the story. She left her little portable, it was a long time ago. You know, those little portable radios you get from Walmart. They're black, rectangular plastic. She left it on the dashboard. It melted. I swear to God. The plastic, it was all deformed. It got pretty warm yesterday, 71 degrees. Really? Only 71?
Where's that at?
California.
Shit, that's fall weather for us.
Yeah, it's strange.
Yeah, but California's kind of like a long state, isn't it? Goes down the coast. So yeah, I think it depends on if you're in North California or South California. I have to look at the map. Bring up a map. Yeah, so if you're in the south part of California, you're really just kind of right above Florida. Was Los Angeles and everything below that? Probably be pretty hot. And then San Francisco and everything above that's probably the more colder side. I think California's like 2 hours behind, ain't they? 3 hours. 3 hours?
Yeah.
So it's 7 o'clock for Woodchip?
Yeah. Funny, eh?
Yeah, he's just waking up.
Chip never sleeps.
And those little gnats that get in your eyes. Y'all got those?
Say that again?
Little gnats that like to get in your eyes? They call them like
Yeah.
no-see-ums or something?
Nah, we have mosquitoes. But no,
No, not mosquitoes.
Yeah, no, we don't have these little sand grain sized insects in our area.
Walk outside, man, they just swarm your head, and they're like all around your head, flying in your eyes, your ears, your nose.
Ah, yeah, I know what you're talking about. Yeah, we do get that actually. Yeah, they're tiny, and they're in swarms.
Mm-hmm.
And they follow you.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Maybe they sense your body heat or something. Yeah, they're buggers.
I told my wife the other day, I was like, if I stay outside much longer, you're going to have to put me in the mental hospital.
Yeah, they overpower you by numbers.
Bite you. They don't bite you. They don't do anything. They just bug the shit out of you.
Yeah, I don't know what purpose they serve. Food for birds, I guess. That's it.
Bug you to the point you want to jump off a bridge or something.
Mm-hmm.
See, we're trying to go short, but we're still at the support zone.
Oh, Topstep trade 69. I'll take that. Let me offer at a better price, like 71 or 72, 70, 71, 72 and 3/4. I'll take it. Better price.
We going short?
Yeah.
We already took it.
I took it, yeah. 72 and 3/4, 3 lot. I'm comfortable with a Topstep trade. 11-point range on the 1-minute charts. At 77, I'll add. Nope, didn't get a chance to add. 62 is the target. 10 points. Hopefully we get there. 70% chance.
What's that, short?
Short, yeah. 70% probability we hit 62. I'm in at 72, 73 almost. 72 and 3/4. I think we hit it already. I might have missed it.
Yeah, I got a trade signal, but I'm going to sit this one out.
I love the Topstep chart trades. They're the most reliable, and I'm the most comfortable in them.
What's the difference between the Topstep trades and the rest of them?
The Ninja Trader, same chart, same everything, but it prints out much more bars. So
the Renko or the
with the Renko.
So you like Topstep Renko better?
Yeah, you get more reliable signals. I was showing Ruan yesterday, and between 9:50 and 11:30, there was 9 trend direction changes on Topstep, and there was 13 on Ninja. That's an extra 4 changes of direction. And I think it had 5 losses on Ninja Trader and 2 losses on Topstep. So if
now
you're gonna,
on Topstep, it's using TradingView, right?
TradingView, yeah.
So is that using the The regular Renkos, or is that using the ATR Renkos?
No, yeah, regular Renkos. It's regular 7-point Renko bars. I don't do it with the ATR. But if you're going to do longer term, like just to bounce off the bands, not a big deal. But if you're going to scalp for 1 or 2 bars, it's a very big deal. I would never scalp for 1 or 2 bars off Renko bars from Ninja Trader.
It's kind of weird because the Renkos should go by price, and the price should be the same.
Yeah, what's the difference is that on Topstep X with TradingView, it requires, that's why you'll hear me say if the bid holds for 1 second, it has to stay past the price for at least 1 second. So if it just insta-wicks it, you know, one of those boom boom type of things,
yeah,
Ninja Trader will print it. Topstep X won't. So you save yourself on those. Sometimes it costs you. Sometimes you get in a little bit later.
That's kind of a repainting issue.
No, because there's no repainting. It just waits to paint. It won't repaint it. It just waits to paint it for 1 second.
Also, I found out that with TradingView, so you set the Renkos, but then you also kind of set the time frame. So
well, that's it. That's the delay.
On TradingView, you have to pass both.
Well, that's a delay. You should understand what it means. It's a delay. So it won't paint the bar. It won't officially paint the bar the color that you set it. Let's say for me, the down candles are red. It won't paint it red until whatever time you set.
Right. Yeah.
Passes.
So we're both saying the same. Like I used the 2-day Renko.
Whoo!
For swing trading the TQQQ.
So your bars are all yellow for 2 days until 2 days pass.
Right.
And then it can completely change. Yeah. I know
it's not that it changes, it's that it's not official until after the 2-day period.
Yeah.
So if you have a large jump.
Yeah, you can see it'll go yellow as it goes up, and then it can come down, the bars will disappear, then it can go yellow down.
I don't think mine
you don't
maybe it goes yellow now.
Yeah, yellow's the color. Well, at least in Topstep X it goes yellow. For me, I don't know, maybe it's a setting, but yeah, I know what you mean. No, it's hard to trade like that though.
Maybe it does, and I just haven't paid that much attention, or I don't know if I ever showed you the chart. It's a pretty cool chart.
I don't doubt it, but you can't use it.
Why?
Because I'd have to show you. I don't know how to explain it. I'm not good with explaining it, but yeah, I know how the rank goes. I know exactly what you're talking about. You can't use it.
Well, I use it, so
you can't.
When you say you can't. I don't know what that means.
Because you
it's on
don't
my
know
chart.
How do I?
Yeah, I don't have nothing painting the candles. Yeah, mine don't turn yellow. Mine are like gray. They're kind of grayish.
This is an extreme example, but imagine, since you set it for 2 days, right?
Yeah.
Imagine it's the weather outside, raining or not raining. And it will show you, and you have to make a decision based on what the chart is showing you, and the chart is showing you, it will show you what's currently going on, right? So it'll show you raining, but it doesn't officially record it.
Right.
Until, let's say, Wednesday night. Wednesday night is the end of the 2 days. So it can go rainy, it can go sunny, it can go rainy, it can go sunny, rainy, and then when Wednesday night comes, it locks in because it was raining Wednesday night. But how do you make decisions based on that? Because the bar is always changing. It's going all over the place.
Once again, the bar is not always changing. It doesn't change until...
Not after it's locked in. Not after it's locked in.
Right. So mine don't go orange like you're saying yours does. Mine is kind of grayed out.
Yeah.
So when it's in that gray area, it's telling you that it hasn't met this condition yet. So in order to fully, it doesn't repaint. It just doesn't, it goes gray until
until the
it's
time
official.
passes. Until the time
I mean,
passes.
it kind of repaints, but it's telling you that it's not official. It's grayed out.
Mm.
So it's not an actual signal until it's a full signal. Besides that, if it's giving me the signal, then I can start going in slowly, right? So if I want to put $1,000 into it, I can start putting 200-300 today, 200-300 tomorrow, then get that official signal, put in the rest.
Okay.
So it's a really simple chart. If you go back and look at it, and if you just bought every changeover.
No. You see, but that's the thing, because it only prints it once after every 2 days. So it looks beautiful. You have these huge moves, but they didn't really, you don't know. In between that move, let's say you have a huge move down, right? 40 candles down after the 2 days, and it's locked in, right?
Right.
Right. But on day one, it could have been up. You don't know that part. Could have got erased. Then it came down, and then it locked it, and it only showed you that. It didn't show you the up and the down. Know what I mean?
That's why you average in.
No, but I'm saying, but when you look at it with hindsight, it looks like a beautiful chart. You have, it's one straight line for 2 days,
So
and then one straight line for 2 days.
So if you look at my stream right now, and if we look at this candle at the bottom,
there you go. Of course, you're going to have these huge lines.
Tuesday the 22nd. So the very next candle is Thursday the 24th. So this candle printed the way it was supposed to print. So if we take our tool and we put it right at the top of that candle and go up, we're at 92%.
But you have no idea if actually once that first green candle printed, before they turned green, you have no idea if it went down 90 points.
Yes, you do.
No, you don't.
You see wicks. You do see wicks on the chart, right?
Oh, you got wicks?
I got wicks.
Oh, okay, yeah. So there you go. If you got wicks, then yeah, you know.
So your example. First off, I think everybody would be like extremely happy with 92%.
Yeah.
But what you're talking about, if you're still looking at the chart, would be right here. There's two examples. You can see this wick down below the previous Renko. Same thing right here, right above it. So those would be, it's telling you there's a reversal. So maybe you start selling out or start going short, but you don't want to do it till it closes. So right here, it'd be kind of fooling you, but then you see it go back up, so you get back in long. So I wouldn't sell out of my long position and start going short until I get a full signal. So this is what you're talking about. It went down, created the wick. Let's see. So it was here. It came down 5% and then went back up. So that's what you're talking about there. And it shows us that in the wick of the candle. That makes sense.
Yeah, but I'll show you what I mean. I'll change my chart here to 2 days, and I'll get you a screenshot of what I mean. No, you're missing data here.
If we come to the downside here, you can see another example right here where it printed the green candle. So that's when the 2 days closed, and then it started a new day. So that's where it's showing you your different days. So in that case, I would have sold out of my shorts. I would have went long, and I would have ate whatever loss that was, because that's part of the whole system. You take the wins, you take the losses. So that would have been almost a 5-point loss. But then if we go up to the top and we go down to there, you're talking 23-point gain. And from there to there, 15-point gain. So then you minus 5 points out of those gains, and that's what the loss was. That's what the whole downtrend was.
Yeah. No, do you watch this constantly, your chart? Or only
I trade it
intermittently? Yeah. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Maybe we're just not explaining, but I'll show you what I'm talking about.
On and off is what I trade, yes. But if you look at the top up here, where it got real choppy, right before that big downtrend, that's when you get chopped up and then sometimes I'll stop trading it until we start getting trends again. So, or I'll lower size. But yeah, I'm in it right now.
Yeah, but no, you're missing data. I'm telling you, I promise you, you're missing data.
It's okay. I like it ugly.
Yeah.
I don't.
And I'll show you one day what I mean.
It's not a scalping system, so you're not looking for perfect entries and exits.
Yeah.
You're just looking for something to tell you that
hey,
we want to be long, we want to be short.
When you have what you call the gray, for me it's yellow. So for when I say yellow, for you it means gray. Yeah, when you have the yellow, you can jump in, but it can change directions on you. So you have to have a stop. Even though it's gray, it can change directions on you.
Right. So what I do is I'm not trying to enter.
Yeah.
I don't know.
So you're using right there. Let me explain to you what I mean. You're using green for your color up, right?
Green or blue, whatever it is.
Okay, it looks like green. So you're at 90. You're at 90 right now, correct?
Yeah, 90.58.
Okay, so right now, theoretically, the market can go down. Let's just say, just give it to me. The market can go down to 75, and you'll have gray bars, right? Going down to 75, correct?
Well, today would be day 2 of the system, so I can see that by this previous bars grayed out. So if it goes down today and closes the day at, 4 o'clock at 75?
No. Here's what I'm saying. If it goes down to 75, right?
Right.
Let's say there's some kind of crazy news. It goes down to 75, but then goes back up to 95. And the day closes. You're only going to see green bars to 95. You're not going to see a wick down to 75.
Yes.
It won't print you a wick. No, it won't print you a wick deeper than one more candle. And you'll be missing that data.
That's not true at all. This wick right here is bigger than one candle.
Show me where.
Right.
No, it's not. No.
What do you mean?
No. Where would the next down candle need to be?
Right there. See the wick sticking through it?
Oh, you're right. I never seen that. It actually does go below the previous candle. Okay, then I'm mistaken.
See if I can find another example. Right here. Same thing.
Yeah.
Up here.
No, you're right.
Right here, it goes almost 2 candles.
Yeah, no, it can't be on a change. On a change, like on that one there where it went from red to green, that's the red one that went down a little bit, and then the green one. But the other one you showed me is valid because it was in the middle of it. It was in the middle. You know what I mean?
And I have them marked back here. I used to mark them. So the wicks. So you can see right there was one. Right there. Oh, no, not that one. But this. Yeah, that one? Yeah. Maybe. I don't know. I think you're wanting to go 2 bars back, right? So right there.
Yeah, no. I see it. That would have been a...
And also you can see the... Not right now, but you can see the trend channels a lot better on this chart. See this back here, this trend up? Look how perfect that is. Then of course, it's all hindsight, but then you're coming down. Look at that. Well, no,
you're gonna see really, really smooth bars. Yeah, certainly. The longer you put it out. I mean, here, let me give you an example. If you were to set that instead of you setting it to 2 days, right? If you set it to 6 months, you're gonna have one beautiful long line.
Right.
For 6 months, you're gonna think it's been a 6-month uptrend or downtrend, but that's not the case. So yeah, the longer you go out, the more beautiful it'll look. But
what I'm talking about is the channel.
So
you can see the up channel, down channel, up channel, then kind of another up channel, but a different angle. And then lately it just kind of lost its channels. So it's got to find a new channel. Then once we put in another low and a high, we'll draw the channel from there.
Yeah, but that's interesting. I'm going to watch it I'm going to change my time frame here. I'm going to watch it. I want to see something. Okay, let's get back to trading because we're missing all the stuff. And yeah, interesting. Cool.
So far, I use it on the TQQQ and the SOXL, which is the semiconductors.
Oh, no kidding.
Now, the semiconductors isn't as smooth as the TQQQ, but you do get more price movement, so...
Mine doesn't show wicks, though. That's the funny thing.
You might have it set to price. I have it set to ATR.
Yeah, you think that's the difference? I have it get traditional ATR. Let me see. Okay. Let's wait for it to recalculate. No, still no wicks.
Maybe you have to tell it wicks. I don't know.
Well, I'm in the settings. Up bars, down bars, projection down bars. Box size, ATR, length, price, last, previous day. Maybe this here. No, I can't do those. Session, precision, and time zone. That's it.
So I have wicks right there.
Yeah,
on my chart.
Yeah, you do. I don't. Status line, title, open high, bar change values. Volume,
It's not in your settings.
I'm looking. Scales, high, low.
You see it on mine?
Maybe high, low price. Hold on. Yeah, I do. I see it on yours, yeah.
Mine's just a thing you click. Source set to close, traditional. Oh, I thought I had ATR. Guess not. Guess I changed it. Oh, I had ATR and then the ATR changed, so then I had to find it traditional. So I guess I did put traditional 2.5. It's a delicate system.
It's a delicate system.
But even if you're looking for like trend direction of the market and stuff, you know, it kind of helps you there. Especially with the channels and stuff. It's not a perfect chart, but it's an interesting chart.
Yeah, no, I want to see something here.
I wanted to try Renko's like that for day trading.
Mine print's different than yours, so that's the thing.
But then I told you I got mad at them because I asked them to give me a trial of it, and they got attitude. Yeah. Like, how do I know I want to pay more for your product?
Yeah,
when I don't know if it's going to do what I want.
You show wicks. I'd have to take a time lapse, and you'd have to see what mine does. Mine does it completely differently. Mine is missing data. Yours isn't because you have wicks. I'm gonna have to bug you to open up your settings and see either you have a different setting than mine, like a different.
I just showed you the settings. You said you looked at it.
No,
you didn't look, did you?
I saw the wicks. You said, you see I have wicks.
No, the setting.
Well, I wasn't looking anymore when you were doing the settings.
You're looking now?
Fucking guy. Yeah, I'm looking. Okay, that's exactly like mine. Where does it indicate wicks? Hold on, let me open up mine.
Right.
Let's compare.
Here. Oh, now you want to compare sizes.
I don't have that. Yeah, I don't have that at all. I just have up bars, down bars, projection.
That's what she said.
And the two projection bars. Yeah, no, I don't have that. So strange that they would be different, eh? How would they have two different versions of Trading View that Topstep would?
They got a lot of different versions of Trading View.
And why would they remove wicks? Who sat in the office and said, "Hey, you want to remove the wicks from Renko charts?" Yeah, why not? Like, really? They micromanaged it to that point?
Well, who decided that you could have a daily Renko chart, but you couldn't have an hourly Renko chart? Then you have to pay more money for it, and you don't even know if you want it. And then if you don't want it, you can't even go back. That's why I got mad at them. I was like, fuck them. I'll stick with what I got.
Okay.
Plus, I pay for Trading View, and I don't even know if I need to because I get a free version of it.
Yeah.
So everybody can get a free version of Trading View, but I have a free version just for AMP. So I don't even. Yeah, I might just need to let it lapse and see what my free version does. Why am I even paying for it?
On the free version, though, you don't get the Renkos, eh? As far as I know.
I don't know because my free version is different.
Yeah. Oh, you're right, because you're with AMP, so maybe they give you all the features.
Just like with Quantower, I get all the features.
Yeah. Gold's going for a little burst.
I really don't even need Trading View. I mean, I got Quantower. I just don't know how to do the custom indicators. I know you can. I mean, I could probably learn.
custom indicators? Oh yeah, with Quant Tower.
Yeah, I know they do it. I just don't know how.
Yeah, I sent an email to Apex because they have the wealth charts, and I just saw an ad on TikTok advertising the trade copier with wealth charts with Apex. So I said, hey, maybe that trade copier works better. Maybe I'll convert to wealth charts instead of using NinjaTrader and whatever. So I asked them if I can have both. Can I have NinjaTrader through Tradeovate and get, let's say, 2 new evals and do it with wealth charts? And if I can have both Tradeovate and wealth charts, can I have them both open at the same time, or I can only open one at a time?
That's where it's going to be difficult, because then you got to pay for the data.
Yeah.
They'll probably tell you that you can if you pay for the data.
But I don't want to pay for the data. Let's see if they answered me. Yeah. Wow, I used to check my email like 4 times a day. Now I check it like twice a week. And I hate it, because when you check it 4 times a day with all the spam, it's easy to clean out. But when you check it 4 times a week, or twice a week, there's like always 200 things to clean out. Wealth charts.
I don't know. They still don't like me at Apex. Like, what the hell's wrong with you people?
You are allowed to trade your Tradeovate and Wealth Charts accounts at the same time. You can have both platforms open at the same time while trading.
Really? That's interesting.
Yeah. Okay. I'm going to get 2 for 90% off. I'm going to get 2. I'm going to try Wealth Charts and try their trade copier.
Now you have the equivalent of wealth charts with BULENOX, right?
No, BULENOX is Apex. BULENOX is NinjaTrader through.
Oh, I thought you said that you had
No, I want to change it. I want to change to Project X. The reason being is, but they said that you'll lose all your accounts that are in drawdown. I don't want to lose any of. I don't want to lose my accounts that are in drawdown. I want to keep them all. Wow.
Yeah. I know they're still working on all those charts. I have to let them work out the kinks a little bit better.
Well,
why don't you just use Quant Tower?
Why don't you just mind your own business?
Because I don't fucking want to.
I don't know. I never looked at Quant Tower. Never. I don't even know what it looks like. Is that what maybe Trades by Matt uses?
No, he uses Sierra chart.
Sierra. You're right. He always talks about that guy that coded it for him, or the setup or whatever.
No, don't be fooled by his Sierra chart setup. He had a guy do that for him.
Yeah.
I think you can pay the guy for the same setup. I don't know.
Oh. Mike uses it. Mike uses what? Butters? Quant Tower? Or Sierra charts?
I mean, I used Sierra charts before. I like Sierra charts, but you got to read a fucking book to figure out how to do something.
Yeah. Skeletor says Alpine uses Quant Tower. But anyways, why would I switch?
Uses it. Yes.
Mike Stump. Mike Stump? Who's Mike Stump?
A lot of people use Quant Tower. I think Methodical Man uses Quant Tower too.
Holy shit, I love that. Methodical Man, yeah, Quant Tower. Okay, I'll take a look at it. But I'm not changing to Quant Tower. Leave me alone. I'm good where I am.
What I'm saying is, I think with Quant Tower, you can copy trade across all your props.
Okay.
If you're looking for a copy trader that can go through all your prop firms.
Mike Stump, I'm going to have to change his meme now. He's going to have a stump leg. He's going to be looking like a pirate. Ooh, nice trade. He's gonna be riding a bike now on his thing with a stump leg.
So yeah, Methodical Man uses Quant Tower also.
Mm. And trades by Matt. You use Quant Tower?
I think we already went over that.
I tried.
Butters, will you tell him what he uses?
That's right. I tried.
Type it in caps, all caps.
Sierra. I know.
Hey, are you one of those people that gets mad when people use all caps?
Nope. I don't really give a shit. It's words. What does it matter?
Some of those streamers get irate when somebody uses all caps.
Well, they have nothing better to do. Seriously.
Jose, good morning. How you doing today?
Your life is good if that's the biggest problem in your life.
Somebody using all caps.
Yeah.
It's funny what different streamers get mad about.
I don't know, Butterstuns, try it. I don't think it'll block you.
He blocks me all the time, Butters.
Yeah, no, he said that Nightbot? Yeah, Nightbot will block it if he uses all caps. Maybe that's a setting. If it's a default setting, it will, but I didn't actually do it.
I got blocked, what was it, yesterday for saying punch a monkey.
Yes, you did.
And I didn't even say I was going to punch a monkey. I said I felt like punching a monkey.
Ah, you see, there you go. Violence. I'm trying. There you go.
Yeah, went through. Jose, how's the trading today?
Spam.
Did they catch it after the third?
Thank you, ma'am. No, 3.
He might have put 5. Might have caught it after the third.
Well, maybe it's a setting that I could. Maybe it's a setting, but I don't have it enabled. I could see it being a setting.
I just wish they told you that they were blocking what you put. That way you could say, okay, well, maybe I'll type it a little nicer or something. I don't know.
Yeah. Hey. Oh, okay.
Careful there, guy.
Wow, Topstep is turning into a difficult account for me.
Got in 3 trades. 5 from the bottom. ORB counting. All 5-minute. All are break even with partials taken. 3 wins. Sweet.
Jesus.
It's a good day.
Jesus.
Was I supposed to say Jesus or sweet?
I don't know. There's the expression "sweet Jesus." Why would Jesus be sweet? Sweet? Did someone lick him?
I don't
know. Not seeing any setups.
Wait, I thought when I say sweet Jesus, it was sweet baby Jesus.
Ah, someone licked. That's even worse. Is that baby Jesus? Can I lick him? Can I taste him? Sweet baby Jesus.
Remember the movie Talladega Nights where he's like, I like the baby Jesus.
I like the baby Jesus.
He's like praying and he's like, sweet baby Jesus. They're like, he's not a baby no more. He's like, but I like the baby Jesus. No point in sticking around and giving it all back. That's true. Nah, I think you have 3 wins in a row, 4 wins in a row, something like that. Yeah, just call it a day. Especially if they're good, solid wins.
Did you know baby Jesus was born 6 pounds, 8 ounces?
No, I didn't know that.
Yeah, it's a little known fact. Not a lot of people know. Butterstunt's told me.
Chopping around, ain't we? Butterstunt's told you?
Yeah, he told me baby Jesus' weight.
6 pounds, 8 ounces.
Okay, you fucker, get down to 48.
Hey. What are you talking about, baby Jesus?
No, I'm talking about the fucking market. Get down to 48. I'm short at 55.
I want to be short, but I look to the left and I see all this choppiness.
Mm-hmm. The statistics don't see the choppiness. The statistics only see the 70%.
That's right. There you go. Jose said the guy on American Gangster said to Frank Lucas, Denzel Washington, quitting while you're ahead isn't the same as quitting. Hell no, it's called winning.
That was a good movie.
Might have to go watch it again. Pretty sure I've seen it, but I don't really remember it.
Yeah, it's old-ish.
Denzel Washington, he's a good actor.
Yeah, he's great. He is.
Now, statistically, I would say that if you're ahead 3 wins in a row and you keep trading, you got to get the loss somewhere, right?
Mm-hmm.
So now, if you're up and you got good three solid good trades, you should be happy for the day. Yep. Unless you're like micro scalping or something.
Yeah, unless you're scalping like Mike or something.
Is that why they call it micro scalping? Call it Mike scalping?
Mike scalping. Unless you're scalping like Mike. And 3 wins is not good enough for you. Hello, let's get that dollars in, out. Have a nice day.
Well, you go for 10 points, don't you?
Me?
Yeah.
On the scalping? Yeah, well, I try to get a better price. Theoretically, it's 7, but if I can get a better price, every point I save is a point more in the bank. So if I get in 3 points better, yeah, I'll get 10 points. That's kind of ideal. 3 points better than the setup. That way I'm 3 or 4 points. So then it's kind of like a 1-to-1 trade with a 70% accuracy.
Right. So I generally try to go for the 21. So if I get 3 21-point trades, then
oh, that's cool. That's great.
I'm good for today. What more do I need?
But I'm also trying to trade the longer term system, so I'm just having a problem. You want to know what my problem is? I have 2 different bands on my chart. One's faster than the other. And I'm bouncing between the 2 of them, and it's causing me a problem. It's making my stops really large. I gotta bail on one of them. I don't know which one. I should probably bail on the faster one.
We're going down.
Yep.
Yeah, I've been missing out on the open range trades. I made my indicator bigger. I don't know. I used to trade it every day. We had 2 great bounces off of the open range this morning.
Yeah, I remember you used to trade it. You used to talk about it. I have to try and put that into my
well, the reason is
there we go.
It's conflicting with the bot, but it's on separate accounts, so I don't
know. Excuse me. Well, we're coming up to a gap fill right here. Previous day's close, 508. got very close to it. Didn't get a 10 o'clock reversal. That didn't happen today.
I guess in hindsight, that was a good short, huh?
Hmm.
I didn't even catch that we broke the trend line and pushed back up to test it. Yeah, you can hear my voice and my throat getting clogged up.
Yeah. I don't know. I'm not feeling it today, guys. I don't know what to tell you. I'm off. I'm lucky I'm green. I'm off balance. You know, like a guy who knows how to ride a bike, but today I'm riding the bike and my front wheel, my steering wheel is wiggling.
It's because you're off on your pitcher. You got to center your pitcher.
No. I don't think I want to trade. I think I should stop. Something's bothering me.
We can go look at forex charts.
Sexy.
Euro
Check
USD.
out Omnius Trades. There's music and there are dancing girls. You still have music and dancing girls on your charts, on your stream? I'm
promising dancing girls.
I'm promising people to go to your stream. There's music and dancing girls.
Oh, I got Batman.
Is he in a dress? Is he dancing? There he is. Good old Batman.
Batman.
What do you want, Sparky? You want cookies? I don't have the pot.
I might have some dancing girls over here if I turn this on. Let's try it.
So, okay, so here we got two things now. There's Dream Screen AI, right? You punch in...
That wasn't a dancing girl. Let's try a different one.
Yeah.
There we go. Now we got dancing girls.
Oh, there we go. Oh, you're okay. Yeah, it's true. You're... Yeah, you should keep those going. Okay, so you know how you type in the code. So what did you type in for that? The girl in the bikini. You just wrote blonde girl in a bikini? Or girl in a bikini? Do you think you remember?
Beach. Girl dancing at the beach.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, because you can't put in features. You can't put in adjectives. I said 55-year-old trader. Sorry, we can't make images of specific people or something like that. But if you just put trader, then it does it. There's no adjectives allowed on Dream Screen AI. But yes,
I put something in one day and it blocked me for the rest of the day.
Yeah.
No matter what, I couldn't put anything in for the rest of the day.
There's Dream Screen AI. There's that one that I just sent you to, Reef or Veri or whatever it is, where you can type in an image and try to make it into a video, but it's pretty weak. It's pretty lousy. It's very limited on what it can do. But
yeah,
now
I haven't tried it yet.
There's a template that I saw yesterday, and I actually saved it to favorites on TikTok. You put in a picture, and it'll turn it into a dancing picture. I don't know if you saw it.
No, I haven't.
Pretty cool.
Saw what?
It's a template. You just choose a picture off your phone.
Yeah.
And it turns it into a dancing, whatever it is. If it's a cat, a bear, you
can have anything make you a picture. GPT.
No, not a picture. It's not the picture. It'll turn it into an a movie.
That's what I'm saying, though, is you can get the picture from anywhere and then get that into the movie.
Let's see if I can find it for you. It should save now. So if I just click create, choose something.
All right. Grab me a drink. I'll be right back.
Mm. What am I looking at here? Bitcoin is a short. I missed it on the whole way down. I can kind of take a small NQ short, but I'm not really in the mood. Like I said, I'm kind of off today. Maybe if I get a reversal or a retrace and a continuation a little bit higher. You're still waiting, Sparky? And I have a wire hanging. You're going to chew on it. Okay, here's a better trade, actually. Not going to start with one.
Ah, what I miss?
Nothing. You have your phone on you?
I do.
Okay, go to TikTok. Play any video. Doesn't matter which one. Just play a video. You know,
TikTok. I used to call it Tic Tac just to make everybody mad, and all my friends would get mad at me.
Again.
They're like, you don't understand. It's the greatest thing in the world. I'm like, okay,
Yeah.
calm down.
Well, YouTube jumped in with the shorts, and now they've taken over. That's impressive.
All right, what am I doing at TikTok?
Just play a video.
Just playing a video.
Okay, now on the top right, you have the magnifying glass, whatever, for searching.
Yep.
Okay, go there and type in. Oh, it's not letting me go there now. Hold on. How do I stop this? Discard generation.
I got Animal Remastered,
Nope.
8-year-old at a concert.
Nope. Shh. AI Sway Dance. AI space SWAY space dance DANCE.
Got it.
Yeah. So click on the camera and then click save to favorites.
I don't see the camera.
Well, beside the AI, you should have a selection. It looks like two girls or something.
No, I got videos.
Yeah, whatever. You know how to work it. Find a way to save it, and it's pretty cool. Or try to just like go halfway. Choose
Is this what you're trying to show me?
I can't see. It's yeah, that's it. So it'll do that with any photo. Try it out.
You can't see the girl dancing.
No. I saw the girl dancing. I saw it. Don't worry. That's exactly it.
Sway dance. How do you save it? Oh, I had to favorite.
Yeah, there you go. Exactly what I was telling you to do. Yeah, perfect.
So then, what I do? I just upload a picture.
Yeah, just go start a video, choose it, and as your template.
Right, so create.
It does a really good job.
I don't know how to save templates. I've been trying to figure that out.
Me neither, really. I thought I saved it and I had to go search for it again.
I don't even know how to search for templates.
Me neither.
That's something I've been trying to figure out.
I saw a video. The guy was telling me the steps. Click this and type this. And
so let's see if I put a picture. Do I got any pictures?
Any picture, even your face. It'll add a whole body to it. It's very impressive. But it's really funny. Take a picture of your dog. It does a good job with the animals. Gold short, really? Let's go take a look at gold short. No, not yet for me. I mean, it could be, depending if there's a level there, but I don't trade that way. I could see why someone would take a gold short, but like I said, not for me.
Yeah, I don't know how to pick the template. I normally just scroll down templates. Maybe I need to go back, type it in again.
I don't really know.
Oh, it's short.
It's hit or miss with me when I do it. I click here, I click there, and eventually I get lucky.
Yeah. All right, use this effect. Now let's go to picture.
Coming up to what here? This is the previous day's close. That's the gap fill again. We kind of got close to it. Now we're going to go and tap into it. Go green to red.
Didn't do nothing.
Oh, you got to wait. You're going to get like this little hexagon and it's going to say generating. Takes a couple of minutes, actually. You don't have the little hexagon saying generating?
No. I did something wrong again. Next time you figure it out, you'll have to.
Yeah, take the steps down.
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't do it either. All right.
Bounce right off previous day's close. On the Renko, you can see it really clearly. The previous day's close is the black dash line. The red dash line is just an indicator where the next Renko bar is going to form. This just gives me a little bit of a guide, you know.
Missed my trade. Worked out great.
Sorry about that. See, we're not focused. We're not focused. Me, it's because I'm not in the mood to trade. Sorry, I'm distracting you.
No. I'm at a good spot on the day.
Oh, my mic's off for a sec.
Really, I wish I'd have took that trade earlier that you took at around 10:47. Now we're back down to the open. We're at a pivot point. Kind of quiet today, isn't it? Wood chip calling out a gold short. You still trading gold? I can't remember the gold ticker again.
MGC. He's back.
Who's back?
Me. I was coming in and out there.
Take it. He's taking a gold short off of that level. Looks like it could be playing out.
I'm having a hard time trading my BULENOX accounts because they're on another computer and it's kind of screwing with me. And it wouldn't have been that if they didn't come up with that stupid rule.
I thought you said they got rid of it.
No, I said I think they did. Someone mentioned it, and it's not on their on their website anymore. But maybe it's still in the master contract. I don't know. I have to send them an email because it would.
Yeah, I was looking on the website the other day. I couldn't find it either.
Yeah, it's pretty trim, their website now.
Yeah.
So what do we do? Do we hold, or do we go green to red?
I got to set up my other computer. I got a computer right beside me.
Mm.
I think I'd want to use it, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, maybe I should figure out a way to bring my laptop closer. It's out of reach, my laptop.
Got mine right here. I wish I just had like a better way to put it. I think that's why I don't use it.
Mm.
Sure, it's dead
I could reorganize my desk easy. Actually, move this monitor there, bring in my laptop right to here. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that now that you mention it.
Yeah, I need to set mine up. Put a chart on it or the chat or something. Monitor the stream. I don't know. Need another plug. I think got like 100 things plugged into this one plug. If I was a counter trend trader, I'd maybe take a buy right now.
Yeah, I'm trying to get into a long on Topstep, but it's impulsive. So I'm just kind of looking at it and saying, what are you doing, Mike? Well, too late now. I got filled at 27. If I lose, I blame you for suggesting it.
Do not follow our trades. This is not financial advice. We trade drunk.
It's not even an opinion. Oh, I was so close to taking a partial too.
It's not even an opinion. Yeah, the stupidest thing you could do as a trader is listen to somebody else. I don't know if you noticed this, but I don't listen to myself half the time.
Yeah.
You ever notice that? You watch streamers and they're like always calling out trades, but they don't take half of them.
Yep. Oh, yeah.
It's like, shit, well, if you like it, why don't you take the trade?
Why? Because if it loses money, they can say they didn't take it.
Exactly. In my defense, I have a certain system that I like to trade. And yes, I do notice other trades. So I try to talk about them because other people have different systems. That doesn't mean that it's my system. It's not my trade.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, like me, I just talked about the bounce off the previous day's close.
Mm-hmm.
I won't take it, but I won't claim that I called it when it goes up 40 points. See, that's what they do. They talk about it, and if it goes up, you see, I told you. I knew it. I told you. I'm the king.
I don't know why y'all didn't listen. I mean, I didn't take it. Why didn't y'all take it?
Yeah, that's if it goes in their favor. And if it goes against them, you know what? I didn't take it because it just didn't look right. It didn't look good. I knew not to take it. They pat themselves on their back no matter what the fucking thing does. Oh, I got a top step trade short. Okay, I'll take it at 13. Let's see. Oh no, I'm not going to take it. We're right at the previous day's close.
At least one thing I can say about any trader streaming is that they're actually streaming, you know.
Mm.
Instead of all these people that tell everyone how to trade and how great they are, but they can't never do it on a stream.
Mm. It was a little distracting in the beginning. Coin flip.
It was still distracting to me.
I don't know. I don't even know who I'm. Seriously, Woodchip, I don't even know who I'm talking about. I know people do it. I know I've seen it. A lot of people like to do shit like that, but I really, if you asked me to,
yeah, I wasn't really talking about anybody specific.
Yeah, you asked me to
see it all the time watching different streamers.
But actually, asked me to put a name to it, I wouldn't be able to. I can't think of anybody like right off the top of my head. I know I've heard it though 1,000 times.
Mm-hmm.
It's usually the hypesters, Coin flip. Gonna take it on the other computer.
All right.
You
start with the heads. Tails.
Tails. Sell. Okay, we shorted. I'll let you know. I'll raise the volume. You'll hear it. We're short at 98. Stop is at 08. Oh, getting close to the stop. Oh, this is where I say we should sell it now. I'm going to sell it. I just sold. I sold at 02, so I got 4 points better. So now my stop is only 6 points, and I have 14 points of profit. Almost a 2-to-1.
Yeah, doing a stream definitely gives me a lot more respect for people that do the streams and try to trade live while doing it.
Mm.
And a lot less respect for the people trying to tell you how to trade, but they can't do it on a stream. There's a bunch of those. I done got to the point now where I unsubscribed from most of them.
Yeah. Well, there's no time to watch them anymore. When am I going to watch somebody else's stream? I'm streaming now all the time. I stream in the morning. I stream in the evening.
Well, I'm talking about the people that seem to know everything about trading, but they don't do a stream.
Okay.
Like, hey, if you just buy the MACD crossover, you're going to be rich.
Mm.
No, you're probably not.
So you heard I took the 50% retrace trade and on my Apex account here.
50% retrace of what?
Of the coin flip. The coin flip is in drawdown now. It's short at 98, but the market's at 03. It's 5 points in drawdown. The stop loss is 10 points away. So now if you take the trade, you're only risking 5 points for a 15-point winner.
Yeah, but I think it's flawed logic because you're taking all the losers but not the winners.
Yeah, so it won't be the same.
Changes your odds.
Theoretically, we did enter. It's kind of like we did enter this trade at 98, and it does have a 50% chance of hitting 88, and I just got a better price.
Well, if you're in drawdown, do you still have the same 50% chance? Because this is why I say that. Because you're missing all the winners. So your 50-50 is at the entry.
Yep.
But then if you take 50% drawdown, then it's no longer a 50-50.
That's the shitty thing about probabilities. Yes, they're related to time. It was a 50% probability, I guess, like you said, when we took it. But once time passes, it's not a 50% probability anymore.
So now you're getting in at that spot. Then you have a 50% probability. But then you have a longer stop or a longer take profit than a stop. So now you have about a 25% probability.
But how do you consolidate that? How do you? Okay, let me explain. We shorted the coin flip strategy at 98, correct?
Right.
So 88 take profit, 50% probability. 08 stop loss, 50% probability, right?
Right.
Now you are telling me there's a 50% there's a 50% chance it goes to 88 and a 50% chance it goes to 08. One of them will get touched first, and it's a 50% chance. So if I react after that, why does the probability change?
Because you're taking all the losers and not the winners. Right?
I can miss some winners. Yes, definitely. It can go right to profit. I could definitely miss some winners. I understand that. But I will not ever miss a loser. I get that too.
Right.
I will catch all the losers.
So hold on. So if it's 50-50, right? And you miss one winner, then it's no longer 50-50. Right?
Mm-hmm. But is it in hindsight?
Well,
like this is a theoretical conundrum, because if you're telling me it's 50-50, there we go, stopped out. If you're telling me it's 50-50, then that shouldn't change. 50-50 is 50-50.
Well, it does change. It does change because when you get in 5 points better, then now you have a 50-50 from there. Because you're taking all the losses and not all the winners. So now you're changing the probability from a 50-50 to a 25-75.
You know what's going to happen, eh? BULENOX is going to send me an email and say, hey, what are you doing? It looks like you're flipping a coin.
That's exactly what I'm doing. You want to see the video?
What are you doing? You go up 100, down 100, up 100. After a month, you didn't get anywhere. Okay, we just lost. So now it's 6-3. And the balance is 50,183. This is day 5, I think.
The real question is, if you go with the 50-50 theory, then what is just one thing you can do to slightly tilt it in your favor?
Well, that's what I think.
If any trade's random, if everything's randomness and everything's 50-50, as long as you have the same stop loss and take profit, then theoretically you could just finger fuck the button all day long, right? So if you could just get 45-55 and finger fuck the button all day long, you can make a crazy amount of money. So really, it's just like, what's one thing that can put a 50-50 in your favor?
Well, I don't know. If you're finger fucking the button, maybe lubricant. So what did it do? It stopped us out? I swear to God, almost did a tick and it went to take profit. Fucker. I don't know. My theory was, all joking aside, my theory was get it in drawdown. And that'll put the odds in your favor. That'll swing things in your favor.
What if you didn't do what if you kept it a little bit closer, right? What if you said you took 1 point of drawdown? That would give you 1 extra point of profit.
Yeah, well, there still will be times you will miss a winner. There's no way you can avoid that if you're requiring a retrace.
Just imagine that a year from now or 2 years from now, how much better GPT is going to be in helping us go over these scenarios and stuff.
Yeah.
Because it's already now where I can I can give a picture to GPT and say, look, how should I have traded this day? And it'll give me a picture back and says, this is what you should have traded.
Yeah, I did that once only. It worked out. Told me what to do. It even gave me targets, and it worked out.
Mm-hmm. And it knows my strategy. It knows what I want. And I can take a screenshot, give it the picture, and say, look, this is what you should have been trading. It does mess up from time to time. Sometimes the guy say, look, you got it wrong, redo it. Sometimes I got to tell it to dumb it down for the dummies. It's telling me all this stuff. I'm like, what are you talking about? What the hell's all this? Like, look, can we get the simplified version?
Butterstun stuck along.
Oh, goodness. Don't say trap long. Don't say trap long. You can exit anytime you want.
No, I mean no, he tapped. He got tapped into a long.
Oh, I thought it said trap long. Okay,
Yeah,
I read it wrong.
They buy support. They sell resistance.
Mm-hmm.
It works.
Oh yeah.
OFT does that too.
A lot of people love that strategy.
I prefer to ride the trend or take trades in the direction of the trend, but avoid shorting into support. That's all. So if I get a short signal and it's on support, avoid it. Just like I got a short signal just above the previous day's close and I didn't take it. So for me, it's if there's a reason not to take the trade, don't take the trade, but I'm going with the trend.
It's all playing a game. Just pick which way you want to play the game and go with it.
Yep. Manage the trade.
Most of it comes down to psychology and management.
It does. Look, now that I'm so much more, I guess, disciplined, if this is the right word, my days are green. The only reason is that I'm not letting losses get out of control. Even today, I struggled with it. I had a trade. Oh, come on, just hold it. No, let it go a little further. And then I said, no, Mike, take it. Take the loss. It's $14. Big deal. You'll just cover it on the next trade. Don't let them take money from you. I used to play poker like that. I never let them take money from me. People used to get frustrated. You know, they couldn't get me to go in a pot and, you know, get a lot of money from me. Unless I had a winning hand.
I will say that, well, before I say, we have had a lot of choppy days lately, so that kind of gives me hesitation in the market. So put that into perspective first. But I will say that on a day like today, I should have been massively green. Like, so many setups today. If I just go over it, right, you got one worked, one failure. So one win would have been one loss. I took every setup. Another win, so that's 2. Another win, that's 3. Another win, that's 4. Another win, that's 5. Another win, that's 6. Another win, that's 7. Another win, that's 8. So I should have been 8 wins and 1 loss today.
Well, Sparky. Hey.
But can't trade in hindsight, so.
Nope.
Would like to get back to a point where we're having days like this more often than not and be more aggressive. Probably 190 points off the high.
Oh, I don't know. I'm not looking.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that would be about what the range is, eh? That's an interesting thing to look at. The range, the average daily range now is 200 points. So you're saying 190 points off the high. That's about right.
And you're getting that by the ATR on the daily chart?
Yeah. But I use 6 also, I think. Let me see. Where is it? Oh, it's not even marked, but I'm pretty sure I use 6. I always use 6. So it's probably, maybe it's a little higher. Not much. Hold on, I'm waiting. Yeah, 6. Oh, missed a trade. Topstep had a trade. Did Topstep even have any losers today?
Yeah, mine's saying take a trade now, but we are coming to a support zone, so I don't know.
1 winner, 1 loser. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 winners. Yeah, like you. 7 winners, 1 loser. If I took them all.
It's just days like this would have worked out so great. Just be super aggressive.
Mm.
But then you never really know when the day
No,
starts,
you don't
right?
know. Of course not. Anything can happen.
I mean, last week was a pretty good week also. But I think the few weeks before that, you got eaten alive being aggressive.
Yeah.
So
Shit. I didn't even open up my Take Profit Trader account. I'm completely forgetting about it. That thing expires.
yeah, it was green every day last week.
Mm.
All right, so that one would have been a failed signal.
Oh, wow. Talk about that. Talk about a failed signal. I got a red background there. What was the support you were seeing? Oh, yeah. I see it there. Yeah, I was finding Butterstunts' entry was a little bit early.
So what does the
I was going to say around
the
4.
red background, what does that tell you?
Just momentum, that there's momentum to the downside. But the first one was here. So that's just a continuation.
How are you liking the candle momentum indicator?
I don't see any extra benefit to using it, so I prefer what I'm already doing. Like, I don't think it's any better if I were to take signals off of it, you know? There's a lot of crisscrossing. Maybe
Yeah.
if I were to use a filter, like the VWAP filter, or also the bands, like here we got a long. I don't know if you can do you see that?
I see it, yeah.
Let me see on the stream. I don't see my cursor moving. Where the fuck's my cursor? Is my stream not up to date? Okay, let me put it on the red bar there. Okay, now let me go here. Ah, yeah, okay. You don't see the crossover. Oh, you know what? That's it. You don't see the crossover on the bands, but on the momentum. What you're talking about, the momentum thing, but you do see my cursor. But anyways, yeah, there's a lot of crisscrossing, and sometimes it does like doom 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 doom, like it crisscrosses 3 or 4 times within a very short period, and I don't know how to deal with that. I don't like anything that flips. You know, all my systems, I try to avoid getting smacked multiple times. And imagine if I were to take all the signals, go long, go short, go long, go short, go long, go short. So I would need some type of retrace and continuation once it gives a signal.
Well, really, just looking at your chart right here, if you have the reds on top and you're below the bands, then you're looking for sales.
Yeah.
The whites on top and you're above the bands,
but I would
then
still
you're
need
looking for buys.
but I would still need a second thing to trigger me in, like maybe a retrace and then a break of a previous bar's low or something like that. Yeah. But just outright,
I feel like the indicator that I got works on pretty much the same basis. Let's try it. What are you on? 1 minute chart? Let me go to 1 minute. And then when does your band move it over so your band crosses?
Well, it's using 40 periods. It counts the up bars and the down bars. I don't know. The cross.
Yeah, I was trying to see where the cross is.
Yeah. Hold on. There we go. 1050. Red goes over.
So yeah, I got 1044, but then mine's set for I think 10. So
yeah.
So I think it's about the same concept. So that's how I use it. If it's red, then I'm looking for shorts. If it's red and below the momentum line, looking for shorts. If it's blue and above the momentum line, looking for longs.
Oh, okay. I was going to say my alarm didn't ring for the coin flip, but it's not 45 yet.
Yeah, a few more minutes. Did put in another short. A bit late on it, but I don't know. I'll try it.
Okay, Sparky, I'll give you your cookies for God's sakes.
Give me my cookies.
Okay, I gotta buy stuff for my one there. I'm gonna go take a 2-second break, give him his cookies, go pee. I'll be back.
Yeah, he's got to take a dump, doesn't he?
I see you laughing.
Yeah, it's a good time to be alive, man. We're supposed to laugh. There we go, trying to go down. You can do it. Come on. Yeah, fuck it. Take it there. Too late in the day. Sweet. Anybody on a trade? What we looking for? Shorts, longs? Anybody looking for a long off of support?
That short worked out nicely.
Yeah, I got 8.5 points.
Okay.
Could have held for an extra 10 seconds and got the full.
I think I got 25 points while I was peeing.
I was scared.
100 ticks.
I was a scared little bitch. No, but really, it's like it is after 11:40.
Yeah.
And I'm green, and I'm not trying to give back at 11:40.
Mm.
So I'll take my extra 8 points and be happy and green for the day.
I'm actually green and take profit. Trader 42. Green on 3 Apex. I'm green on 1 BULENOX. And I'm green on my Topstep account. The only account that's red, never mind broker, the only account that's red is the BULENOX coin flip account.
Oh, blame it on the coin flip.
The coin flip account is...
We got to do that again. We got to give it the opportunity to come back.
Yeah, let's go. Let me set it up. The alarm's going to ring very soon in 33 seconds.
I was trying to ask people if anybody was looking for a long off of this support. They wouldn't talk to me. Everybody's sleeping. Then we came down into the support. We have a divergence. Took liquidity. This could be it.
The low is in.
If I was a support and resistance trader, like all those guys, I think this would be the spot, right? Oh, and we're putting in a morning star. Shit, I might have to take this. Give me at least one. Can I take one, boss?
Sure.
What's yeah.
Flip the coin when you're ready.
All right. I'm gonna give it a one lot. Was hoping for a pullback, but now that I got in, now it'll pull back. See, I could be a support and resistance trader. Just not a very good, not a very good one.
Yeah, no, this little level between 436 and 416.
That wasn't a flip, that was a drop. Okay, flip. And we have tails again.
Short. And I will take it again. I will take it again when we have drawdown.
Now, if it bounces and flips, that still counts, right?
Yeah.
And I can't stop it from bouncing.
We're short at 72. I will... 76 was there. Okay. I'm short at 76 and a quarter. The system is short at 72.
All right, strategy. We're not going to break even today. My strategy's like, what do you mean? No. No.
Whoa, getting there. Let's go. Good take profit.
If we get a nice pullback, I might have to take another one.
It was so close. Went back up. Why am I trading off the 30-minute? Out. Out. Okay, that was another loser. Mark it in, down 221 today.
You're making the value of my coin go down.
But you notice ever since I started taking them in my eval accounts, it hasn't won. I've taken the last three, and the last three were losers. How crazy is that? It will never win again.
All right, I'm not a reversal trader, but I called this one. We're up almost 20 points. Might have to take it at 20.
Six and 4. That's only 60% accurate now.
I'll take it at the 17.
50.073. That was perfect. That was that was $110.
Again, as soon as I take profit, it like jumps.
I told you, just before you click, lift your finger up, count to 10.
Is that the method?
Yep.
Oh, I might have to try that. Don't click, count. You got the slogan. Don't click, count the 10.
Count to 10, yeah.
I have a feeling you're going to be making a video on that tonight.
No. Ah, you mean like a clip?
Yeah, short.
Oh, no. I got something better than that.
Oh, yeah, you can do a clip, yeah.
What was it? What was it? What did you... Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and he's a slogan. Don't click, count the 10.
No, I got a much better short for today, for the highlights. Mr. Finger Fucking. I can promise you, control caps lock was clicked on that one.
Somebody was finger fucking the caps lock.
I just have to see how aggressive you got with it. It might be too aggressive.
Fuck it. What they say, when in doubt, fuck it.
Okay, I don't want to be here. Did I update the balance? I did. I'm good. I'm going, guys. I'm done.
I was gonna tell you, slow the video down a little bit.
Why? I like it with the funny voice.
Okay.
You know why though? Also because it brings it in under a minute. I wanted to bring it in under a minute.
I don't think you need under a minute. I think that's an old thing.
Yeah. I don't know.
Because the shorts used to be a minute, but now they're up to 3 minutes. So.
Oh no. The person who was talking was like the queen of shorts, and she said she did experiments. So if she went to 1:13 or 1:39 or 2 minutes, it got like 10% the traffic of something under a minute.
Oh, that was when the 3 minutes was still new. It takes them a while to change the algorithm.
Yeah.
I don't think that's necessarily the case anymore.
Yeah. I'll see if I can cut it, if I can cut, let's say, the first few seconds off or the first whatever, then I'll bring it down to regular speed.
All right. End screen, what are we doing? Paper, scissors, rock again?
No. No need. I want to go, so it's going to be quick. Guys, thanks for hanging out. I'm still long. Let's go. Hey, way to go. Yeah, I was figuring maybe you added, Butter. I'm thinking maybe you added. I'm going. I'll probably be streaming tonight at 5:45 if I can. If not, I'll see you guys tomorrow before 9:15 if possible. Omnius.
Guys, appreciate everyone hanging out. Butters, Woodchip, Joker, if you're still there. Appreciate everyone. Have a great day.
Take care, guys. Could have added, but I didn't. Have a good day, guys. Bye.
All right, bye.
Not this again. Tried to size down, trumped again. Daddy's home, don't press send. Clicking in while, no anchor, bro. This gotta end. Every morning, same chart, same zone. Market moving fast, I ain't feeling at home. Break of the high, trapped in disguise. Thought I was the king, turns out surprise, but not in fake. House lurking, price got me sweating, palms straight hurting. Like, come on, man, where's the edge? I knew. Just need my setup clean, let it come through. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, but not for pain. The boss is back, no room for shame. Futures floor taking over the game. Was down bad last week, too much size, no plan, just vibes. Yeah, that's how you die. Now I'm calm, free lot, clean as snow. Clicking that anchor, let that discipline flow. But now them dopamine traps got me chasing green with no recap. Like chill, bro, let that setup bake. Waiting for the moment, let the market break. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, we trade with aim. The boss is back, no more games. Futures floor, putting clowns to shame. Fake breakouts, pump fakes, wicks that lie. Even caught that lunar move, thought I'd fly. But it don't matter what dreams I rent. If I skip the plan, account gets bent. But nah, them weak trades wild. And no anchor, no click, just straight freestyling. Like, come on fam, that's not the vibe. Run me alive. Click, stamp, click, click. Watch me grow. Futures floor, got that inner flow. Daddy's home in full control. Let the rest FOMO. We on a roll. He in my oil like it's satisfact. And now I'm missing the dean. Was lost last week, caught in the heat. Now I'm posted up, clean trade game elite. Tame the urge, let the setup speak. The boss is back, and I ain't missing a beat.